Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start now. Set an alarm for 10-20 minutes so you avoid deep sleep and grogginess. Once done, dim lights and block sound. Darkness helps melatonin rise faster. Make sure clothing is loose and have a light blanket to stabilize skin temperature, which speeds sleep onset. Relax your jaw and shoulders. Practice 1-2 slow breaths to shift focus inward. Don't lie for too long. This step aims to get you into light sleep quickly and predictably. You'll guide yourself deeper. Say a cue phrase like "rest now" to create a conditioned shortcut to sleep. Then scan body from feet to head, releasing each muscle for 1 to 2 seconds. This progressive relaxation reduces physical tension that keeps you alert. Make slow breaths. Inhale for 4 to 6 seconds, exhale for 6 to 8 to drop heart rate and quiet the mind. Once your breathing eases and thoughts slow, let go. You'll likely slip into light sleep within minutes. You'll wake gently when the alarm sounds. Don't leap up. Sit up slowly, stretch for 30-60 seconds, and take 2 to 3 deep, energizing breaths to restore circulation and clear fog. Make sure to get bright light or step outside briefly. Light helps reset your clock and boosts alertness. If you feel groggy, do 5 minutes of light movement or caffeine plus a short walk. And next time, aim for a full 90-minute cycle instead of 10-20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.